Hello mga Lodi, welcome back ulit sa inyo lahat. Ang ating pag-aaralan naman ngayon ay isang 1963 classic song ng The Beatles, Till There Was You. Requested song ito guys. Sa mga nagre-request pala guys, hintay-hintay nyo lang yung inyong request kasi marami pa tayong ginagawang videos. Bali naka-line up yung mga yon. Basta makikita nyo na lang kung na-upload nyo yun, okay? Basta naka-bell all yung ating channel sa inyo, naka-subscribe guys para dadaan talaga yung new video ko sa inyong notification para hindi matabunan, okay? Till There Was You, wala tayong gagamitin kapo. Tapos naka-standard yung gitara natin. Okay, ganito yung intro niyan. 4 chords lang naman, E. Yan, tapos yung next chord na yan, yung D, tapos dim, D diminish ang tawag dyan. Dalawang string lang naman yung pinindot. First at third string. Dito sa first fret din. Doon o. Yun. Tapos yung pag-strum dyan ay dun, yung bass niya ay yung fourth string pababa. Yun. Tapos next F sharp minor. Last chord ay B o kaya B7. B7 guys, di ba? Tinuro ko na yan sa inyo. Sa mga lagi nanonood dito ay lagi kong tinuturo yung B7 na yan. Parang D7 lang yun. B7, yung simplified ng B7. Pero yung gagamitin ko sa tutorial na to guys ay B. Pwedeng mamili kayo doon, B7 o kaya B. Yan, nilagay ko lang dyan B7. Pero B yung gagamitin ko dito. Pag hindi kayo sanay sa B, ay B7 yung gamitin nyo. Pag hindi pa kayo sanay sa ipit, gano'n. Diba? Okay? 4 chords lang, 2 times yung uulitin. Ganito. Yung pag-strum niya na, down, down, up, up, down, up. Gano'n lang kadali guys yung pag-strum niya. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Tapos ilipat mo na. Down, down, up, down, up. Gano'n lang. Tukin natin. Ganun lang guys, pag tinira mo siya sa simpleng bagsakan lang, simpleng strumming lang. Pero mayroon din akong ituturong intro guys, gagaya nung unang napanood nyo kanina dun sa introduction ko, diba? Yung ganito. Yan. Okay. Una, mag-E ulit kayo. I-strumming nyo ng pababa, ganito. Okay, then kalabitin nyo yung second at third string magkasunod. Tapos next nakakalabitin dyan yung fourth string, dalhin nyo sa third fret. Okay. Ganun lang, diba? Okay, punta naman tayo sa F sharp minor next. Strumming nyo ulit, pababa. Okay, then third at fourth string magkasunod naman. Patungong B. Bali yung bass na ng B yung inyong kakalabitin dyan. O kaya pwede nyo siyang strumming. Ganun lang kadali, di ba? Parang mahirap lang. Okay, ganun yan. Mamili kayo dun guys kung anong mas gusto nyo yung intro. Tapos diretso tayo sa verse, ganito. There were bells. Yung pag-strum guys, kagaya nung sa intro, yung down, down, up, up, down, up. There were bells on a hill, but I never heard them ringing. Oh, I never heard them at all, till there was you. Okay, bali yun yung unang verse niya, E. There were bells. Okay, then D diminish. On a hill, then F sharp minor. But I never heard. Then ringing A minor. No Y E. Never. Okay. Pansin nyo guys, meron akong kinulong na mga chords yan. Tatlo, di ba? Yung G sharp minor, tapos G minor, tapos F sharp minor. No, I never heard him at all. Yan, ganun. Binilisan ko lang yung paglipat dito. Ganun pag. Oh, I never heard him at all. Ganun siya guys. Sana na-gets nyo yun. Then B, till there was E. Then F sharp minor. Then B. Yun, ganun siya yung guys, yung unang verse niya. Okay, isa pa para hindi kayo maguluhan. There were second verse guys, halos pareho lang din pero sa dulo nagkakaiba lang. Okay, papaliwanag ko naman yun eh. Okay, diretso second verse. There are words. There are birds in the sky, but I never saw them winging. No one ever heard till there was you. Then E7 na dito. Alisin mo lang yung ring finger mo. Tutungo na yun kasi ng chorus guys. Okay? Tingnan natin yung second verse. There were birds on the sky, but I never saw them winging. No one ever saw them at all till there was you. E7. Okay. Diba? Then, chorus na agad tayo guys. Ganito lang. And there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows of love and you. Ang chords nun A. And there was music. Then, mag-A minor ka dito. And wonderful E. Roses. Then D diminished. They tell you. Then F sharp minor. It's sweet. Tapos F sharp. Yon, ipipindot mo lang yung middle finger mo sa third string ng third fret. Yon. And there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows. Then B of love. Okay, yung last chord nito guys. Yan, tataka kayo ng chord to. And you. Balang tinawag ko yung chord na to na di ko lang sure kung anong tawag sa chord na to guys ha. Bali, binunyagan ko lang siya. Ang tatawag ko lang dito ay F sharp AUG augmented yan. F sharp augmented guys. Tatlong string lang yung napindot dyan. Yung first string, 3rd fret. Tapos yung second at 3rd string dito, 4th fret. Yan. F sharp augmented. And there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows of love and you. Okay, third verse, same chords dun sa unang verse. Okay, ang next dun, di ba, instrumental siya. Ang instrumental na chords, yung chords na instrumental guys ay kagaya ng chords ng second verse. Yun, balitugtugin nyo lang siya. Pareho yun, yung chords ng second verse at instrumental. Ting, ting, ting! Then E7. Ulitin yung chorus. And there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows of love and you. Bale, tutungo na tayo ng last verse nito. Halos pareho lang naman din guys. Sa dulo lang nagkakaiba. Bale, parang pag natapos yung ika-apat na verse na to ay matatapos na yung kanta. There were love, ulitin nyo lang yun. Yung parang lyrics ata yun ng third verse eh. Yung there were love all around, but I never heard them sing. No one ever heard them at all till there was you. Bali, titigil ka lang ng konti dito sa E. Medyo magbababad ka. Kasi meron siyang outro guys, yung till there was you. Okay? Diba iyan, nagtitigil ka ng konti. tutungo ka ng B7 o kaya B guys. Sabi ko nga kanina B yung ginagamit ko rito pero B7 lang yung nilagay ko. Pwede nyo gamitin yung dalawang chords na yun guys. E, then C, tapos babaksak sa E. Yun. Okay, napakadali, di ba? Dali lang yung lyrics nito, kaya napakadali lang practicein nito guys. Okay? Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat at huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe guys. At i-like nyo na rin. Okay? Bye-bye.